Welcome back to this next module. We're going to talk about creating your campaigns the right way. If you reflect back to an earlier module that I talked about, the classic mistake that people make when they're creating their campaigns, where they create one campaign, one ad group, and put like 300 keywords in that one ad group. You do not want to do this when you are creating your campaigns. You basically want to structure your campaigns in a really, really granular way. So you can have one campaign, and then you're going to have multiple ad groups, with each ad group being a theme of keywords. All right. So if you're a dentist, you'll have one ad group that talks about dental implants, and inside that ad group is only implant keywords, and an ad that only talks about implants. You'll have another ad group that might talk about root canal therapy. In that ad group, there's only root canal keywords, and an ad that only talks about root canal, and so on and so forth. This way forces really good ad relevance, which will get good click-through rate and hopefully good conversion rate. Google will love you for it. They will reward you with a really good quality score, and you'll pay the least amount possible. That is your winning strategy. It is worth mentioning the decision why you might decide to separate things by campaign versus putting everything in one campaign with multiple ad groups. And there's really a number of reasons. The first might be because of budget. Okay, you assign your budget at a campaign level. Alrighty, so just knowing that budget that you assign at the campaign level is shared amongst all your ad groups. So you might have one ad group that gets a lot of traffic. That might mean the other ad groups kind of don't get any budget because one ad group's really greedy. So you might have to create multiple campaigns to spread your budget around to give other keywords a chance. The second big reason why you might separate things by campaign is due to location targeting. You assign your location targeting at a campaign level. So for example, you might target certain types of keywords like dentist near me, right? But you want really, really tight location targeting for that, versus another type of keyword, dentist Sydney might want it to be wider, alrighty? And the third possible reason is really due to your bid strategy. Alrighty, you might want to do automated bid strategies or manual bidding and do different things for different keywords. So really, those are the three main reasons why you'd separate things by campaign. But otherwise, as long as you structure your ad groups the right way, then that will give you the best chance of success. So please don't fall into the trap of doing that classic mistake that I see people make. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough of how to create your campaigns, I show you lots of really shortcutty ways that you can do it, like copying and pasting ad groups, so you don't have to manually create all this stuff individually. Obviously, I show you inside my course, inside teachtraffic.com, and you can find tutorials there and obviously ask me questions as well. Alrighty, so stay tuned for the next module, and hope this video is helpful.